Come on, man, give me something to eat, Mike. Fucking lunatic. So this is my box right here. I can take that whole thing. What? I don't know. I'm asking Mike. I can take that whole thing? This box right here. Is it mine, though? I'm not...
It's yours. It's yours. It's 2 red jackets for you, and some shit. 2 black jackets that have no fucking clue what you want on them. Thank you.
You were supposed to get Ferrari Brothers logo on it.
Good. Sign yours down and tell me what you want. There's no fucking clue. I mean, do I? Yeah, and tell me the whole ball thing.
I'm done.
I'm going.
Why, what happened?
I can't take it anymore.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you serious, Mike? Look at this. Look at this. What's up, man?
You better get out of here and don't come back. Here.